Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's an easy process, but you must possess an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you're going to stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, all you need to do is head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you're dropped at the overview where you have an outlook on all your wallets and can find where all your tokens are stored. So if you were to scroll from your spot to your funding, depending on where you have your assets in each of the wallets I've mentioned, you could simply select the BNB and simply click on the withdrawal option and select the send via crypto network. By doing this, you're going to be at the Send BNB menu where you simply minimize and open up your Trust Wallet mobile. So now once you've opened up Trust Wallet, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, simply use this toggle to search for BNB. And by doing so, you're met with the BNB on the Beacon chain and the Smart Chain. For this video, we're going to be working with the Smart Chain BNB. So select this BNB, select the receive option, copy the address. Now, once you've copied the address, head back to your Binance. And once you've opened up Binance, simply paste the address there and the network is selected automatically. So you simply put in the minimum you wish to withdraw and click on the withdrawal button. Now, once you've done this, once you've withdrawn, head back to your Trust Wallet and simply make a reload and you'd find your BNB has been deposited successfully. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.